I recently did a video on how to talk into your phone so you don't have to type. And it was really great. You know, a lot of people probably didn't realize that they could dictate things into a memo and then send it to their email and cut and paste it from there. Saves a lot of hand typing. But I didn't know how to do it on an Android. But fortunately for us, a friend of this channel figured it out. Click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll know when new videos are posted. So welcome back, Paul Carter, and thank you so much for explaining to us how we can dictate into our Android phones so that we don't have to spend so much time typing.
Yeah, thanks very much for having me on. It's not a problem at all.
If you want to use your phone as a means of dictation on an Android, what is the step-by-step process? What do you have to do?
Start by going to your apps folder and selecting settings. Scroll down and select general management, and under general management select language and input. Now select on-screen keyboard and tap on either Google voice typing, or you might have Samsung voice typing or Huawei voice typing, and select a language for your voice typing. I'm selecting English UK. Click OK and back. Now whenever you go into an app that you would normally do typing in, let's say memo, create a memo, on the keyboard tap on the microphone symbol and then simply speak into the microphone and your words will appear in the memo.
Thank you so much for enlightening us about how to use our Android devices instead of typing as dictation tools. We really appreciate this tip.
Yeah, that's no problem. Happy to help. It does work. I only used it for the first time last week myself. It was your video of doing it on the iPhone that prompted me to look at how it can be done on an Android. I found out how to do it, and I've used it a couple of times. It's not perfect. I don't know whether it gets used to your diction, but obviously you have to go through the text afterwards and correct any mistakes. But dare say it's the same with an iPhone. You know,
it is the same with the iPhone, but it saves so much typing, and doing a little bit of light editing is so much better than sitting at the computer and typing.
Oh yes, no, it does indeed. Yeah, no worries. Yeah, so happy to help.
Thank you so much.